What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a live search for your WooCommerce products to make easier for your store or potential shop consumers to find the products. For example, this is a live search example. While you are typing the products that you are looking for, it gonna shows into live results using AJAX code the products that you have related to the search. Okay, for example, I type PL and it showed some plants that I have as my WooCommerce products. And if you click, you can go to the product. It's very good, easy, and make the search more possible on your WordPress website using WooCommerce. So it gonna makes you sell more. But how to do this on your site? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, log into your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, all you have to do is review your browser's address bar, type your domain name plus wp-admin or wp login, enter with username or email and password. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, normally is next to appearance, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of the screen, to search plugins, click and type Ivy Search. Now install this first result, Ivy Search WordPress Search plugin. Click on Install Now, then click into the Activate button. It's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins, and here you have Ivy Search. Click on Settings of the plugin, or access Ivy Search tools from the left sidebar of menus. Next to comments, there is a new menu called Ivy Search. And by default, the plugin has created for you an WooCommerce AJAX search form for WooCommerce. Copy the search form, go to your page, for example, click on Add New Page, or apply this into any of your previously made page. You can use Elementor in the case that you want. All you have to do is place the code just like this. This is gonna make the form. Then you can apply some content, for example, some space, some WooCommerce product, related products, just like this, as an example. Let me duplicate this space and apply another space right here at the top. Now let's publish the page. The most important part is the short code, the code that you copy from the plugin, but we can make the page looks better, okay? But this is up to your design. And here is the search form, okay? And some products. Simple, easy, works for free, and effective, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!